Essprom. In this video, we will explore the various features available in SmartView that enhance our ability to interact with these forms. Additionally, we'll discuss practical tips for maximizing efficiency and effectiveness when using them across different projects. To connect the form to the SmartView, click on the panel option. Two types of connections are available to choose from: shared connections and private connections. In this example, we will select shared connections. Enter the login credentials and then click on Sign In. After the connection has been established with the EPM Cloud server, click on Select Server to proceed and expand the source EPM server. Then choose the form that you want to open. For example, I'm opening a setup form to show you. You can choose the drop-down and you will be able to submit it through Excel. Click on the Analyze option for us to switch from a fixed form to a flexible ad hoc mode, enabling deeper exploration of data through drill downs, pivots, and custom filters, ideal for analysis and troubleshooting. Now click on the pivot. I'll pivot my currency and subsidiary. We use pivot to quickly summarize and analyze large data. Now Keep Only in Excel shows only the item you selected, and it helps you remove unwanted data from view. By zooming out in Excel, you can view the entire form at once, including top-level parent members like total departments or categories, without needing to scroll. This helps you understand the overall structure and data more easily. Remove Only in Excel hides the item you selected and keeps all the others. Zoom In lets you go deeper into your data. For example, if you select Total Department and click Zoom In, it will show the breakdown of all individual departments under it, helping you analyze details below the summary level. Click on Member Selection to select a member for a certain dimension. Click on the cell for the dimension you want to select the member, and expand the parent member to view its child members. Select the valid member and click on the right arrow button, then click on OK. Now the desired member has been selected for the particular dimension. After selecting the particular dimension, click on Refresh. Now let's understand how Member and Data option. Go to the SmartView ribbon. Click on Options to open the Options window. Select the Member Options tab from the left panel. These are the options available for zoom in level. Let's take an example as bottom level. If we will double-click, then it will jump directly to the lowest level members. Now, Member Name Display drop-down controls how dimension members are shown in SmartView grids. Let's take an example member name and alias. It helps you see easy-to-read names like, instead of system codes like department_7. If no alias is set, you'll still see the actual member name. Indentation settings control how member hierarchies are displayed. Let's take an example as none. It will shift member to left and then save as default. Excel will remember your selected options every time when you open a new sheet. Then click on Refresh to see the effect of none. Now move into Data options. This screen controls how data is shown or hidden in your SmartView grid, especially missing, zero, or restricted data. When you click on No/Missing, then only the rows and columns that have real data will be shown. The empty rows with hashtag missing, zero, or no access will be hidden. Now zoom out again to get back our old cross sections. When you click on zero, it hides data that's all zeros, and no access hides data you're not allowed to see. The same will appear for the columns hashtag #missing. This controls what shows when a cell has no data, usually hashtag missing. When you set the hashtag missing label to numeric 0 in SmartView, all cells that have hashtag missing, i.e. no data, will show as 0 instead. And if you select dash, all cells that originally show hashtag missing will display a dash instead. Now, what is the Calculate option in SmartView? Click on Planning Ad Hoc, then click on Calculate. This Calculate button is used to launch business rules or calculation scripts from within your Excel SmartView form. Click on the Business Rules. Here you can see all your business rules and click on the rule that you want to launch, and here we go, our business rule is launched. Let's understand how does Job Console works. For that, you need to go to the SmartView panel, expand the connection and right-click, or click the drop-down on the environment name. Select Job Console from the menu. Once the Job Console opens, you'll see a list of jobs with columns such as Job ID, Job Name, Type, Business Rule, Import, etc. Status processing completed failed. This helps us know whether a job is still running, succeeded, or failed. Check job status example. If the status shows completed, it means the system has successfully finished processing the job. The Job Console is our go-to place to check the back-end progress of business rules, allocations, and other background processes. Always check it when you suspect data hasn't loaded or updated correctly. Thank you for watching. Essprom.